going to show you one of the must-have tools, whether it's auto work or just general sheet metal fabrication. And it's our shrinker stretcher. What we're going to do is we're going to make a patch panel for this piece right here. One, we can't buy any replacement quarters for this Capri, nor can we find any other. So I'm going to show how to use a shrinker stretcher on there. And to do this, all you need is a piece of 20 gauge sheet metal, Sharpie, tape measure, some snips or Eastwood shear, and our shrinker stretcher. And let me show. So here we are. This is the unit. So what you get the solid cast body, shrinker jaws, and stretcher jaws, the handle, the Allen keys, and full instructions. You could bolt this directly to a stand. You got your 3/8/16 threaded holes here. Run bolts up to your workbench, bolt it on there, or what I'm going to do is just put it in the vise here. This makes it easy for us in R&D. Alright, here we go. What we're going to do first is, this is going to be done in two pieces. We're going to go ahead and build this piece here out of a 90 degree. Use the shrinker stretcher to come into the radius of the rocker there. And then build this piece, general radius, and then weld them together and across. So we want to do approximately an inch on each side. Here's where you can use the hand shear or Eastwood electric shear. This guy's great. It's actually fun to use. It'll cut a nice radius, curves, straight lines. Just simply, that's it. So now we're just going to do a gentle stretching. Get our first contour going. You can see it doesn't take a lot to start moving metal. That's the beauty of these things. And go ahead. See the contour we got there. Check on the vehicle. Alright, changing jaws is easy on this thing. Once you remove the Allen bolts, remove the jaw, insert the shrinker jaw, and put your Allen bolt. And this is the area that I want to shrink right down there. In fact, I noted it because you can get moving along in something, hit the wrong spot, and you got yourself a nice candy cane or something else, but it's not useful for what you need. So again, same thing. Doesn't take much to move metal. And you can see the compound curve we got on this piece. Alright, let's go ahead and do that piece then. Same thing. Couple measurements. We're going to keep this one long, because what we're going to end up doing is taking out the spot welds here, getting rid of that piece. But just for what we're doing right now. Alright, well here's what we got. We got our panel. Just took 2 90s on here. This is the only one that we really care about. That's the one that's going to go on the inside here. This one we're just going to use for some forming, and then later that's going to get lopped off, tacked onto this guy. So let's shrink this, because we need to get that gentle radius in there, not just hang a flat piece of metal on. And again, what we were saying is, this is a great tool, a must-have in applications just like this, where we can't even if we wanted to buy that quarter or a patch panel, we can't find anything. So for the price of this tool, a couple bucks, less than 10 for the metal, we're going to have ourselves a nice panel. You can see what we're doing here. It's just bringing that nicely right in there. You can see the panel, which is then going to come down, mimic this contour. Alright, now this lip here we're not going to use. We're going to remove that. We just put it on there so that we could get our forming there. Go up here, hold our other one in place. I marked it. Go ahead and trim that to fit.